This is Joe Russo with Klein Educational Systems, and this video is to show you how to sign up new users with the Amatrol e-learning platform. So the first thing we have to do is go to the correct website, and that is going to be learnamatrol.com. L-E-A-R-N, amatrol.com. Not to be confused with Amatrol.com. Amatrol.com is the website where we advertise all of our products and services. This is for customers looking for more information about what we do. LearnAmatrol.com is the e-learning portal to access the curriculum, to learn the theory and to learn the skills associated with this industrial content. So we're going to sign up new users at LearnAmatrol.com. We're going to click on the new user button that is going to be below the login information. So we'll click on new user right here. Once we click on that, we're going to sign up using our email address. There's an email right here. Enter your email, enter the password you want to use, first name, last name, the zip code where you live, and a 9-character activation code. This is going to be provided to you by your instructor, or if you're purchasing from a bookstore, this is what they're going to give you, the 9-digit activation code. That 9-character activation code. 9 characters being something like this. It's going to be letters, it's going to be numbers, and a mixture of the two. This is not a real activation code. I made this up right now. So it's going to look something like this. So you're going to enter that into this part here. You're going to click register. Once you click register, you will receive an activation email to your email account. There's going to be a link in there, a blue link. It's going to say activate my email, and once you click that link, you are now set up and your time period has started. So if you signed up for 4 months, 6 months, a year, whatever, your time limit that you have set up with your account begins once you click on that activation email. One thing to notice about the activation email, because it sends a link and because we send out a lot of them, it tends to get flagged by spam or junk. So if you don't receive it right away, check back in a minute to your spam or junk folder and see if it's there. There's also another function I want to point out to you, and that is I do not have an email address. So you don't actually have to use email addresses to sign up. So if you click on this function, I do not have an email address, it's going to ask you for the activation code. You got to have that. You're going to enter that 9-character activation code in there. And once you do, you're going to click submit. Now, I will let you know from this, this is not a normally used function. So if you would like to use this, when you click submit, it's going to automatically direct you to a page that says, it's going to say, if you would like an email address, go to Yahoo or Google or Gmail or whatever. And it's not going to work. So if you want this to work, you need to actually call your distributor or call Amatrol direct and say, listen, I do not have an email function for my portal, and then they're going to click a few buttons and it's going to activate that for you. So it doesn't happen automatically. You have to let us know that you want it activated. And then from that point on, once you activate it, you're going to get a similar page like this, but instead of email, it's going to say username. And you can put in a username like first name dot last name with a number or something, whatever you choose. Your username can be whatever set of characters you want it to be, as long as nobody else has used that username before. So that's basically it. You can sign up using the email function, you can sign up using the username function, but you do have to let us know that you want to use that function, and from there you get signed up, and then you're off and running, learning some amazing content from an amazing company.